All right, guys, we're back for phase 2 with the Impact Learning Center up in Bowling Green, which is the high school where we installed, if you haven't seen it yet, phase 1, 16 desktop simulators running general aviation setup, so Cessna, Cirrus, Piper, whatever. But now we're installing 6 3DOF, D-Box-based flight simulators running essentially the same setup as you saw on the desktop sims, but upgraded pedals, which is nice. You got the nice RealSim Gear seats, of course, triple monitors, the 32-inch AOCs, which is great. These PCs are 5090 based, and so they're running at max capacity, so for the best graphics, the best number of flight models per second, et cetera, et cetera. Really, really great systems. The best part about this is that we're not done. So we're still going to install 2 6DOF Cirrus. They're gonna be the G6 SR22 and SR22 turbos. We're gonna have the CAPS module so you could pull the parachute. It's got the G1000 Perspective Plus, Cirrus. RealSim Gear does an incredible job on these cockpits, and of course, our team does an incredible job making them a 6DOF, triple 55 immersion, the whole kit and caboodle, which is nice. Now, as we loaded these up and drove them up to Bowling Green, this install went perfectly. One, because it's a high school and it's got big doorways, but more importantly, what I want to touch on is that these systems were perfectly curated for the client. We don't have these on the website ready to go. Now, of course, we could build them and sell them really to anyone, but the high school, keep in mind, especially this year, starting out just with the freshmen, the desktop sims are the perfect way to get started in flight sim, where you just have basic, flight controls, your yoke, your throttle, your mixture, learning how the different inputs and control surfaces actually affect the aircraft. And then they get to step up to the 3DOF, which is very similar, almost identical controls in some regard, and get a little bit more of an immersive experience. So now they go from just sitting at a desk, seeing how the inputs would control the airplane, to actually feeling how they would control the airplane, and then getting into the 6DOF, where the G-force belt tensioners, the triple 55s, fully immersive, and actually feeling like you're flying the aircraft. For us, it was a huge accomplishment. I think the school is very, very happy. And then the one thing that we did proprietary to tie it all together is we built our own X-Plane command station. So we call it the Master Control Station. And this gives the teacher the ability to control all 24 flight sims. We're gonna do kind of an in-depth analysis of this on phase 3 and actually get in the classroom and walk through how this works. But to give you just a quick glimpse, I have the ability, say as the teacher, to say, I'm gonna do an air tour of Greece and command all 24 sims to that in perfect conjunction with the AOPA curriculum, which is what they're teaching off of. So again, really looking forward to phase 3, which will be probably a more in-depth overview of all the sims, how they're connected, what we had to do on the back end to prepare for this. And so we hope you liked it. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.